Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables. That's from here till there. That's Seen, Sheen, and Sad. It is on page number 14 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Seen Fatha Alif Sukoon. Seen is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and Alif has hidden Sukoon. Seen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. Seen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. Seen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. So the next syllable we have is Seen Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Seen is a light letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Seen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. Seen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. Seen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. The next syllable we have is Seen Kasra Ya Sukoon. Seen is a light letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and this Ya has hidden Sukoon. Seen Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. Seen Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. Seen Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. So now we have all 3 syllables. Sa, Su, Si. Sa, Su, Si. So the next syllable we have is Sheen Fatha Alif Sukoon. Sheen is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and this Alif has hidden Sukoon. Sheen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sha. Sheen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sha. Sheen Fatha Alif Sukoon Sha. The next syllable we have is Sheen Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Sheen is a light letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Sheen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Shu. Sheen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Shu. Sheen Dhamma Waw Sukoon Shu. So the next syllable we have is Sheen Kasra Ya Sukoon. Sheen is a light letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has hidden Sukoon. Sheen Kasra Ya Sukoon Shi. Sheen Kasra Ya Sukoon Shi. Sheen Kasra Ya Sukoon Shi. So now we have all 3 syllables. Sha, Shu, Shi. Sha, Shu, Shi. The next syllable we have is Sad Fatha Alif Sukoon. Sad is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and Alif has hidden Sukoon. Sad Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. Sad Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. Sad Fatha Alif Sukoon Sa. The next syllable we have is Sad Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Sad is a heavy letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Sad Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. Sad Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. Sad Dhamma Waw Sukoon Su. The next syllable we have is Sad Kasra Ya Sukoon. Sad is a heavy letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and this Ya has hidden Sukoon. Sad Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. Sad Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. Sad Kasra Ya Sukoon Si. Now we have all 3 syllables. Sa, Su, Si. Sa, Su, Si. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Sa, Su, Si. Sa, Su, Si. Sha, Shu, She, sha, shu, she, saw, su, sui, saw, su, sui. So this is the end of the session. We will practice those 9 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.